Hey everyone, what I would like to do in this video is show you how you can migrate from Android to iOS. This used to be a bit of a pain to do in the past, but Apple have simplified the whole process by integrating an Android migration tool right into the iPhone setup procedure. Apple's migration tool is only available when you are setting up your iPhone. So if you are like me and you skip through all setup steps in order to use your new phone, you unfortunately have to reset the phone. Doing this will erase all media, content, and settings. So be sure to back up anything that is important to you before you reset. To reset your iPhone, you need to open Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings. The Erase This iPhone screen will then ask if you would like to continue, and you will then be prompted to enter your passcode or password. Once entered, you can select to erase your iPhone. When your iPhone restarts, the setup procedure will commence and you will be able to select your language, country or region, connect to Wi-Fi, set up Face ID, create an iPhone passcode, and more. You will then land on a screen called Transfer Your Apps and Data. This migration tool lets you migrate from an iCloud backup, another iPhone, a Mac or PC, or from Android. You will then be prompted to download the Move to iOS application onto your Android phone from the Google Play Store. Once you have launched the app, press continue on both phones to start the migration process. If a VPN is detected, you will be advised to turn your VPN off in the settings area. Next, enter the single-use code you see in your iPhone into your Android phone. It is also prudent at this stage to ensure that both phones are being charged before the transfer process begins. You can now select exactly what you want to transfer from your Android phone. This includes messages, contacts, photos, WhatsApp, and more. When you are happy with what you selected, press continue. After a short period of time, you should see an estimation of how long it will take to migrate everything. It should only be a few minutes to move over contacts, messages, and small files, but large transfers of photos and video files can take hours. When the data transfer has completed, select Continue, enter your Apple ID, and then complete the iPhone setup procedure. If an application that was installed on your Android phone is free to download and available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, your iPhone will attempt to download it. In my own transfer, some free apps I was using on my Android phone were not installed on my iPhone. Therefore, I had to download them from the Apple App Store myself. So that's all you have to do to move your data from Android to iOS. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I wish you all the best of luck. Take care.